Yep, getting rid of the old VMAX muffler from my monkey. Because I got me a motherfucking over system titanium. Shit in the mail today. Yeah, got my shit in the mail today. And this motherfucker here can take a fucking ride in the goddamn woods. That's where that goes. Yep, that's where that motherfucker goes. Now get back to the titanium shits. From fucking Japan or something. I think it's from Japan. Yeah, made in Japan. Yeah. Someone put their dirty fingerprints on it already. Probably me. God damn it. Yeah, I can't wait to put this shit on my monkey. It's gonna look awesome. Got some more boxes of shit. What the fuck that is? What is it? Oh, that's that thing I bought for my lights that hooks to the spark plug. I forget what it's called, a capacitor or something. Is there any heat shields to this fucking thing? Yeah, heat shields. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna put it on and I will take video of it when it's on. God damn it.